Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gautham. Today we are going to solve the 3D printers problem. So here you are seeing that nozzle is not as expected. So just we have to off the printer. And remove the filament which you are trying to print. So something went inside the 3D printer's nozzle and it's not heating. So let's open and see what's inside. First we have to take this screwdriver and keep and remove the screws of this here. And here. Let's do to the other side also. Now this side. Now let's see what's inside. Now let's remove this. So this is the inside part which you can see. I'll show you closer. Here is the inside part. Next step I'll show you. The next step, you have to take the nozzle, this rubber thing, you have to pull it down. I pull it. This one you have to remove here. So I'll show you what's the problem here. So here is the problem. This thing broken. This one. It's broken, so it's not heating. This thing is broken. Now I'll show you how to remove this nozzle. You have to take the small screwdriver, lift the nozzle up, and you have to keep the screws here and remove the screws. I'll show you like this. This side also. I remove the board. Next, you have to remove the wires of the nozzle. I'll show you. This side. This wire and this other side wire also. This wire also. Next you have to remove the screws of this side. Then you have to remove this. And remove the screws of this one also. Then you have to remove the back side here like this. So you have to take out the old one. Now let's buy the new nozzle. I bought a new nozzle. It will be like this, the box. Now let's unbox it. Here are the screws. This is a paper how to do. And here is a nozzle. We'll tear it. And this is the nozzle we are going to replace now. You have to remove this first. Like this. And then you have to tighten the nozzle. After tightening the nozzle, you have to replace this nozzle to the old nozzle. I brought the nozzle. You have to keep it here inside. Here I brought the nozzle. You have to keep the nozzle here inside the hole. Like this. And you have to keep the screws. The screws. You have to keep the screws here and here, the both sides. The small screwdriver you have to keep. Same to the other side. It should be tight. That you have to tighten the back side, this one also. the wheels back. You have to tighten it. Next, you have to keep this back in its place and keep back the screws. Next, you have to take this and keep it in the nozzle. And keep the wires in its place. Keep the wires. Next, you have to take the main part and keep it back. And keep the screws. Aprende. And the nozzle is replaced. Now let's check. Now it's heating up. Before it was not. Now it's done. It's working properly now. See, it's heating. See the film. See, it's heating and the filament is coming out. Our 3D printer problem is solved. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and bye bye.